By the looks of the thumbnail, you're probably wondering why do I look like I'm in so much pain? Are you in pain when you are brushing your hair, when you touch your hair, when you touch your scalp? So why does your hair hurt? In my experience as a hairstylist, I've come in contact with numerous clients where I would brush their hair and you hear the ow, 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 just because one, they have a sensitive scalp, the knots maybe are pulling and ripping. Actually, it's pretty normal to feel some discomfort when brushing through your hair, especially if there's knots. It's just not fun. It's pulling on the scalp. The scalp has so many nerve endings, and that's why it's so sensitive. So if you are somebody who just has a lot of discomfort on your scalp to begin with, or if you run your fingers through your hair and it just feels really, really painful, or it's not the most pleasant, maybe you could have a situation where you may have dandruff, the pores get blocked a little bit, and it's starting to create oil, and the dandruff comes, and you're creating an unhealthy environment for your scalp. So in that case, you may have to do some sort of treatment for your scalp and address the issue of the scalp. Because remember, where does hair grow from? It grows from the scalp. If you cut your hair and took a strand of hair and started pulling it, and you wouldn't feel it because it's not on your head anymore. It's not attached to your person or your scalp. So because of that, because this is so sensitive and so many nerve endings, it's that simple. That's why you're feeling some discomfort and pain. Now, again, it could be dandruff. It could be some sort of maybe an infection. You could have an allergic reaction to something. Maybe you used a product or you bleached your hair where, again, it made the scalp very, very sensitive. And that could be why you may have done a chemical process. You got a perm, the lotion got on, the perm solution got on your scalp. There's numerous reasons. It's like if you cut yourself and you pour rubbing alcohol on it, it's gonna burn. So it's the same thing on your scalp. So my advice is, I mean, if you look at your scalp and it looks very, very red, or if you see a lot of dandruff, or if you see something that does not look normal, then maybe yes, you should go to a doctor. You should have he or she look at it to kind of address the situation. Maybe you need further treatment on it. But if it's every day and you're like, oh my, you just have a sensitive scalp. Maybe change the way you're brushing your hair. Maybe use 25 spray. My hemp shampoo and conditioner is really great for dry scalps if you do have a dry scalp. Also, it's amazing for dandruff. The hemp set has really helped a lot of people, a lot of customers, so it's really an amazing product. But that really could be it. So let me know if you have a sensitive scalp. Let me know if you're gonna go get it checked out. Use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.